Hello, my name is Miguel for the Mechanic 757. You know how I get down, I get straight to the point. In our business, we sell a document called automotive repair release of liability. And basically what that is let's just hypothetically say the customer wanted you to change their brakes and their rotor needs to be replaced, and it's just going to destroy the new brakes. Well, you do not want the customer to blame you or put responsibility on you. So we have a document that we sell that you can download in a Microsoft fashion, and you can customize it the way you want that's applicable to your state. But it pretty much releases any kind of reliability if the customer decides to go against your better judgment of replacing that rotor, and it destroys the brakes, or the rotor is paper thin or whatever the case may be, and they insist that you do it. You gotta cover your behind. I had a customer who actually did that, and they had a Honda Elantra, and they wanted to change the front brakes, and the rotors were just completely trash. And I explained to them, Advance or AutoZone, wherever they got it from, they voided the warranty with the manufacturer, wherever they got it from, if you have foreknowledge, because it's supposed to be 2 smooth surfaces, but if it's, it looks like Saturn or real paper thin, you're just going to mess up the brand new brakes, and now it's going to squeak or fall apart or whatever the case may be, because you did not want to do the repairs properly, or the person was being cheap, or whatever the case may be. That's not your issue. Your issue is to cover your behind. If they make poor choices and they insist on doing it, and you do the repair, you don't want them to come back and say, oh yeah, we got in an accident, or you messed up my car, you did that. You're not only getting this document and having them to sign it for legal purposes, because the courts don't care about anybody, what they have to say. They go by facts. You take pictures of the job before, after, and when you do the final invoice, you actually document it on the invoice. And once they sign it, they have full knowledge on both sides. And trust me, after 30-something years that we've been doing this, this is coming very handy for people playing the blame game or whatever the case may be. That is not your issue to even be concerned. If you don't feel comfortable, have them to do this, put it in the invoice, and move on. This document can be bought at themobilemechanic757.com, themobilemechanic757.com. You click on book appointment. You click on documents, and then you'll see the documents that you're looking for. And once you buy it, it's an instant download, and you can customize it. And I'm doing this because I truly want to help you go from beer money to champagne money. And that's just what I do. Even if one day you're doing better than me, or you have a better idea than I do, I want to hear it. I want to hear your success stories. I want you to be awesome, because you're already awesome. And that's what I'm trying to say. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.